I'm gonna make a quick video on these LytePow like hydration packets. So these are the packets. They're extremely small. If you're familiar with any other brands that make these packets, they're a lot bigger than it's normally. So really nice for traveling. You can see like they're small. They don't have any sugar in them. They have kind of a lemony taste, which is pretty good. I don't have an issue with it. I think it tastes actually great. No GMO, no calories, which is really nice, and no salt. This is for hybrid, rapid hydration. Okay. I'll kind of show you the back here. You can see what it has in it. It's kind of hard for me to read, but magnesium, you have sodium, potassium, and then basically your electrolytes. So this is like a rapid hydration thing. If you maybe go for a run, like the other day I went for a run, it was about 95 degrees outside and I came back, I really felt bad. So I just chugged one of these back, made me feel better. Or maybe if you're invited too much the night before, this is something that would really be good. And it doesn't have sugar in it. So you can drink this like before bed and it's not gonna like kind of give you like a stimulant thing. And I also like that it has no calories. So they taste really good and they're also really small. I don't like big bulky things. I like things that are small. So that's it, check them out. Comes in a Ziploc bag so you can keep them nice and dry.